Hello, everyone. I wanted to take an opportunity to help guide you through this math pathways chart that you see. So notice that these arrows lead you from certain courses to other courses. It's important to note that these arrows aren't all the possible connections. So you do need to have a relationship with your math teacher and your guidance counselor so that you can have open dialogue about various pathways that are good for you. Okay? These pathways are all about your success, and they're all about where you think that you're going to be heading after high school. Okay? So for example, coming from grade 9 academic math, you can choose with the arrow grade 10 academic math. If in grade 9 you're finding the concepts very difficult and you feel like you need a little bit more help and a little bit more time to catch on to what's happening, then you are allowed to take grade 10 applied math. Okay? So you can choose either one of these. It's important to know that. So let's say you've chosen grade 10 applied math. Now where do you go from here? Well, you can choose to go to grade 11 mixed, you can choose to go to grade 11 college, or you can choose to go to grade 11 math for everyday life. So where do these lead you? Well, grade 11 math for everyday life is a very good course to take if your grade 11 math is all you need. So if your university or college program doesn't require a grade 12 math, then grade 11 math is a very good way to end your math career because it'll teach you about taxes, it'll teach you about savings, it'll teach you about all those things that are important to know. Grade 11 college math will lead you to grade 12 foundations for college. So we'll see some programs that require that when we get into my blueprint. Grade 11 mixed math gives you the opportunity to take either grade 12 college for technology math or grade 12 data management. So there are some courses which just require data management at university. So it's important to know that you could go from 9 applied to 10 applied to mixed math and then to grade 12 data management, which is a university level math. The other connection that's available once you've finished mixed math is grade 12 college math and then advanced functions. So it's also important to keep in mind that if you do take mixed math, whether it comes from grade 10 academic or grade 10 applied, you can go into mixed math and then you can follow that to grade 12 college and you can follow that to advanced functions. So if advanced functions is your goal, you can reach that from grade 11 math with one extra course. So now let's have a look at my blueprint to see what requirements look like. So if we go to the post-secondary planner in my blueprint, let's search a few different options and a few different pathways. So let's start in apprenticeships and let's look up what kind of prerequisites we need to be an electrician. So let's pick construction and maintenance, and so suggested courses, English 4E, Workplace English, and MEL 4E, so Math for Everyday Life. Those are suggested courses, which means you can have them, but you don't have to. So for this one, the Everyday Life pathway is a very good option. Let's look at some college programs. How about practical nursing? So you can see that there's many options, but if we narrow it down to Ontario, we now have only a few to choose from. So how about Humber College? Well, you can see that Humber College's prerequisites are grade 12 college level or higher math, which means that the math could be any of the 2 college level maths or any of the 3 university level maths. Backwards design, then that means that in grade 11, we could have been in grade 11U, grade 11 mixed math, or grade 11 college math to get these prerequisites. So that's important to note. So let's try something completely different. What about graphic design at the college level? Well, let's choose 3D animation and art at Humber College. Here, academic requirements are grade 12 English and 3 other grade 11 or 12 college level or higher courses. So that means that our math course, our last math course could have been Math for Everyday Life for grade 11. It could have been any grade 11 math course. They're okay with that. Okay? Also important to note. And now let's look at a university program. Let's look at economics. And let's look at McMaster University, for example. So we have economics and computer science, economics and mathematics. So their economics program has grade 12 English and 5 additional grade 12 university level courses, which means that you don't even need a grade 12 math. You could have stopped after grade 11. And that grade 11 could be anything. It could be 3U, it could be 3M, or it could be 3C. As our last search, let's try business management. So if we do that, and let's say we try administrative studies at York University, well, that gives us requirements of grade 12 advanced functions. So grade 12 advanced functions, if we think back to our chart, that means that we could have taken grade 11 university math or grade 11 mixed, and then grade 12 college, and then grade 12 advanced functions. Okay? So when you're designing your pathway, always keep in mind where you need to get to, and this chart will help you with how you can get there. Keep those conversations open with your math teacher and guidance counselor, and good luck.